welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be doing this eye look on my eyes, and also I share with you guys the highlighter on my face as well as the blush, and all of these products are from the new Covergirl True Peach collection. This is the eyeshadow palette right here. This is the highlighter, like hello packaging, right? And then this is the blush. So I used all of these products on my face today. This is everything that I liked from the collection. There is a million things out there, you guys. There is trios that come with like a highlighter, a blush, and like a bronzer. So that's like a really good steal. I just love my bronzer right now, and I couldn't afford everything, you guys. Like, I feel like things from the drugstore do get a little bit pricier, especially when you're like a makeup addict and you buy so much makeup and you want everything. Yeah, that's me. So obviously I cannot afford everything, but today I want to share with you guys these three products. So if you guys want to know my thoughts on these three products and if these products are worth your money, before we get started into the video, if you're not yet a part of our TSQUAD family and you would like to join, don't forget to subscribe in the link down below. It's free. Subscribe, get with the program, become part of our TSQUAD family. That being said, guys, let's go ahead and get started with the review. Alright guys, so we're going to start off with the eyes, and for the eyes today we're going to be using the new Covergirl Peach Scented Palette. This is from their new collection. This is what the palette looks like. It says it's the True Naked Peach Punch palette, and it does say that it smells like peach, which I am all about. I feel like this is giving me like the Too Faced Peach Perfect kind of vibes. So I'm just going to open this because I just got it yesterday. This is the inside of the palette. As you guys can see, it's very warm. It has a lot of peach purples in there. These are the colors that kind of like scream my name. So starting off with the Morphe R37, I'm going to go in with this peachy shade right here. That's just like a very light peach, and we're just going to pop this on the transition area. We're going to start off with this one to kind of set my concealer in place. I don't usually like to set my concealer anymore, but since I did went ahead and set it already with translucent powder, that's why we're just going to go with the flow. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen on Snapchat that I did, me and Jesus did adopt a bulldog, an English bulldog, and wow, you guys, that bulldog, it's like having an actual baby. Like, it's crazy, so crazy, because we feel like we have an actual child. Like, we had to go buy diaper rash lotion yesterday, or cream, whatever. We had to go buy diapers for it, and we actually bought the wrong size diapers. They actually didn't fit, so we have to go today to find diapers. But let me know if you guys would want to see a vlog of the whole thing, because it's crazy. We've been going through so much. We've been going on a trial and error to find the perfect food for the dog, because everything is just like not suiting her stomach or something. Everything is just giving her like diarrhea, or it's like making her fart a lot, which I have done my research and I have like read online that these dogs like fart a lot and it stinks or something. But like, she has this problem where like she walks and she'll like squirt a little bit of shit out of her ass. So I don't know if that's like normal or something, but like, I don't want shit all over my home, you know. So we're gonna go buy her diapers. I'm going to take this brown shade. It has like purple, this like mauvey tone shade, and I'm going to pop this in the crease as well to kind of give it a little bit more warmth in there. Whoa, this is so pigmented. Using windshield wiper motions back and forth. Wow, this is a pretty color, and this is so pigmented. Like, ever since I tried out the Covergirl foundation, the new one that they just came out with, I have been like living for Covergirl products. I don't know, like, look at the packaging, how cute it is. Like, it's crazy. Guys, as I was saying, like, it's crazy because we can't really like feed her anything because she gets sick. And then the people, like the previous owners where we got her from, I feel like they didn't really used to like treat her nice, because she doesn't like to go outside. She's kind of scared. I don't know like what has gotten into her, but she's scared of the door, or like when me and Jesus will wipe her butt, like she'll panic and like she like gets scared, and she has like on her skin, like it's like comido, you know, like somebody like chewed her off. Like, I don't know, it's hard to explain, but está como comido, like if somebody like used to like bite her body or something. And I don't know, I just feel like the owner didn't really like treat her nice, so it's kind of crazy and sad at the same time. I'm gonna go ahead and take the Morphe R39, which is much more like stiffer kind of brush, and I'm gonna take the brown shade from the palette. This is the brown shade here from the palette. It's very like a cool tone brown, which I don't mind, but I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna pop this on my outer V. At this point, I'm just like so used to her, like I love her, and if something were to happen to her, like it's crazy. And then she did get like an eye infection, so me and Jesus have just been like really taking care of her and just focusing on her because she's like a baby, dude. She requires so much attention. It's crazy. But yeah, we've been like busy with the dog, and it's crazy because she's like a baby. Like, it's crazy. Like, if you guys know anything about bulldogs, let me know. I do appreciate a lot of you guys in my Snapchat. A lot of you guys have been like messaging me, like, give her these vitamins for her joints and stuff, because the thing too, like, she can walk, but she'll walk for like less than a minute, like seconds, and then like she'll like lay down, and she always wants to sleep, and I just don't think that that's normal. So I feel like her body's just too big for her legs and her hands, that she has just like too much weight, you know. Right here she has like an overbite, so like her tooth kind of like messes with her like lip or something, and I don't know, it has just been a blur. You guys have no idea. It's crazy how puppies require so much attention. And the other day me and Jesus we went to the Circle K, and I saw this guy leave his puppy inside the car with like no AC. The car was turned off, windows rolled up, and I seriously like panicked. I was like, what the fuck is wrong with these people? Like, sometimes like I know I shouldn't like, you know, say anything or like get into people's lives like that, but like, come on, you guys. Like, a puppy is a fucking family member. Like, would you leave your child in there? You know what I mean? I don't know. Let me know if I'm just like overreacting, but I feel like I'm not. Like, I don't know, you guys. Like, I just would never leave my puppy in there, because especially here in Vegas, like, I would understand if the weather is like a little bit, you know, different or so. But like here in Vegas, the weather is over 100 degrees. So it is pretty freaking hot outside, you know? And for somebody to like leave their puppy right there for a good minute, I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you guys like are against that? Do you guys like don't care? Do you guys support that? Like, I don't know. Let me know, because I don't know. I'm trying to use like as many shades in the palette as possible, and only the dark one so far has had like fallout. But now, you guys, I feel like I want like a shimmer on my lid. I don't know if I should like cut my crease though. I kind of don't want to, just so we can see like, you know, its full potential and see how it looks on top of other colors. Alright guys, so I'm going to take a mixture of this like champagne-y shade with this pink one right here. These are the two shimmers in the palette that are like screaming to me. So first off, I'm going to take the pink one, and it seems pretty pigmented. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to pop it on my lid. Moving on to the lower lash line, I'm going to pick up this brown here, which is like a more cool tone brown, and mix it in with the darker brown right here. My lower lash line. Alright guys, so we're going to move on to the last two items from the collection. This is the blush. This is the Peach Punch Blush, peach scented. Let's talk about the packaging. I love the packaging. Something very different, and I feel like it's just out of this world for the drugstore. It's just crazy how cute this packaging looks. So this is the shade for the first one. There was other ones that were just a little bit more on the pinker side, like more pinky toned. I just don't like a super intense pink blush. I like something more on the peachy side rather than pink, and this definitely gave it to me. Not only that, you guys, but it fucking smells bomb.com. I'm going to take some with my brush, and this blush is very pigmented, and see, it immediately changed everything. You see how beautiful this looks? Oh my gosh. I love this blush. Definitely a go-go. If I were to say something from the collection, the blush is something that I love. Not because the tone is so peachy, but because it kind of gives you that like perfect summer, you know, vibe going on. This is in the shade 120 CG Blush 120 Peach Punch. So I don't know if that says anything, but on the back it just says 120. So make sure you, if you want to get this one, make sure you get the 120. Look at how beautiful my cheeks look. I'm not that of like a super blush kind of girl, but lately, you guys, this has been my vibe. Like, kind of like calls out my name, you know. Then this is the last thing from the collection. This is the Covergirl Peach Highlighter. This is the one that I loved. Like, this is the one that called out my name because it's so beautiful. It's like a white champagne gold kind of shade, and it just called out my name. This is in the shade 110. It is very pigmented, so I'm just going to take some on my brush with any Fix Plus or anything. Okay, it gave it to me, but it's very subtle. It's like a perfect everyday kind of, you know, highlighter. I really like the shade. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray some Mario Badescu setting spray on my brush because you guys know me, I'm extra as fuck. So I'm just going to coat my brush and we're going to go in this way. That's a fucking highlight. Alright guys, and those are all the products that I got from the Covergirl Peach Punch collection. As you guys can see, everything I absolutely loved. A highlighter, I feel like this shade in the shade 110 was screaming my name. It is a little bit lighter for myself, but I feel like it looks freaking bomb. Like, what do you guys think? Does it look chunky? Because up close, to be very honest, you can definitely tell that it has glitter particles in there, but it's not chunky at all whatsoever. Like, it looks very look at that. Oh my god, it looks very glowy, but it doesn't look chunky or anything like that. So I really like the highlighter. And then the blush is definitely something that I'm probably going to be using every single day. Alright guys, and that was it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed my review on the new Covergirl Peach collection. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you want me to review products that are trending or products that, you know, companies come out with, like new products, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Follow me on all social media, Snapchat, Instagram, because when I'm not here, I'm most likely over there. And if you're not yet part of our T Squad family and you would like to join, don't forget to subscribe in the link down below. It's free. Subscribe, get with the program. It just keeps growing. Hello. And this is actually a crop top. Here, let me show you guys. It's actually a cute little crop top that says hashtag TSQUADFAMILY, YouTube logo, and of course my name, Taniaxo. This is a shirt that I did online. I wanted to kind of like test the waters and kind of do something cute for BeautyCon LA. No, this is not for sale. Hopefully in the future, yeah, we can get something cuter out there, but I would never sell something like this. But hashtag TSQUADFAM is you guys. Thanks to you guys, I am here doing videos. Thanks to you guys for your support, for your love, for everything, for being my friends. And you know, every time I have something going on in my personal life, you guys always like message me and send me cute messages through Instagram and through Snapchat. So I really appreciate you guys, and I want to create a big ass fucking squad. Like, I want to build a family. So subscribe if you're not yet part of our T Squad fam. And with that being said, guys, I will catch you guys in my next video very soon. Bye guys.